Welcome to my channel. You are watching Perfect World. Today I will discuss Halloween pop art makeup. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. If this Halloween you want to dress as a character from Roy Lichtenstein's artwork but don't know where to start. Step 1. Draw cat eye. After your face is prepped, whether simply with moisturizer, primer, or with foundation and concealer, start lining each eye with a liquid liner, flicking it out to create a cat eye. Step 2. Fill in brows. Create the frame of the brow shape you want by outlining your natural arches with a black pencil liner. Opt for a bold liner over a faint brow pencil for this, since you'll want your brows to really stand out. Once the outline is complete, go back and fill them in so they're a solid block. Step 3. Accentuate features with black lines. Using a pop art photo as inspiration, draw thin black lines around 0R along your features to give your face a cartoon-like expression. Start with parentheses lines between your brows. Then, add lines that follow the shape of your nostrils and the tip of your nose to define those curves. Finish with bold lines under your cheekbones, along your jawline, and on the curve of your chin. Step 4. Draw eyelashes. The goal here is to accentuate the features you already have to create a caricature of yourself. So, make your eyelashes more cartoon-like by drawing them on your upper and lower eyelids with black liquid liner. If you already have a deep eyelid crease, further define it with a stroke of black liner. And if you have dimples, accentuate those with a little line to further customize this look to your face. Step 5. Add red dots. Cover your face with small red dots about a centimeter apart from one another. To do so, press the tip of a red liner onto your skin, gently twist it, and remove the pencil for dots that are consistent in size and shape. Step 6. Line your lips in red. Line your lips with the same red pencil liner that you used to make the dots, and then fill them in. Step 7. Outline lips in black. Once your lips are completely filled in, outline them in black to exaggerate and define the shape. Step 8. Highlight. Make your lips look more cartoonish by drawing a small white line on one side of your lower lip for your shine spot. You are ready. Thanks for watching and don't forget subscribe. Please take care.